Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the screen?
Huh.
So
It is
another
visible.
example I was giving with related to resilient. There was a movie wherein there is a girl, a small girl, tiny girl who is in class 5, and she had went for trekking to a mountain area. Okay. Hello?
Ma'am, your voice is not audible properly. It is breaking down. When I heard there was a small girl, tiny girl who was in class, I think you said 5, and then it got lost.
Huh. Then what happened? She was on a trek, okay, to a mountain for a trek to a large mountain in her area. Okay. So when they reached there, mountain step or mountain down, so she was very cautious, or she was very you can say nervous to climb the mountain. Then she called her mom that, hey mom, I cannot climb, I'm very scared. So her mom said, you have come from a, we don't have anything special, but we have come from a line of action heroes. Okay. Only that thing is special within us. So anything else, any other thought, she reached the mountain top. So what happened? Emotional support she got from her mom there. Resilient. She bounced back from her failures. Okay. Clear?
Understood.
No.
Huh.
The last one of adolescent category is cognitive. Cognitive, as I said, means mind. It is the process involving thought, rational, and perception. Everything that happens in the mind, that is known as cognitive or cognition. Here, what happens? There is an opportunity for learning and cognitive growth as the brain adapts in structure and function in response to experiences. What we have learned in the first category, academic or social category, they have a vast space, mind space. They try to explore, they try to do self discovery. Okay. So here there is ample scope for learning and brain growth. What is the responsibility of the teacher here? They have to provide a mix of educational approaches so that their brain or the students' cognitive abilities can be more widened. Okay. There are two categories of thinkers. One will be
Okay.
concrete thinkers, one will be abstract thinkers. So you have to find out who are concrete thinkers and who are abstract thinkers. The abstract thinkers, they need more challenging activities.
Hmm.
The concrete thinkers, they require more structured learning experiences. So you have to divide your classroom and find out who among them is in which category. So in addition, young adolescent need teachers who understand and know how they think. Teachers need to plan curricula around real life concepts and supply authentic educative activities. We have to back up the students with experiments, analysis, data, okay, demonstration, everything. So that, and everything around real life concepts, because they cannot expose, they cannot think anything beyond what they have not seen. Within that only we have to show them so that their brain will grow up. Because young adolescents' interests are evolving, they require opportunities for exploration throughout their educational program. Just go through any doubt.
Process involving thought. Can you explain the third sentence? Teachers need to provide an assortment of educational approaches.
This one,
That sentence.
assortment means this one. We have to come up with experiments, we have to come up with analysis, we have to provide them data. Okay, we have to give them demonstrations, we have to go for role plays, situation based
Hmm, hmm,
training,
hmm,
everything we have to give them.
hmm.
But that is our duty as a
Okay.
teacher.
Okay. Okay. Ma'am. Okay.
Okay,
Ma'am. Okay.
fine. We'll stop here. Adult learners, if I'll start teaching, you will get confused. Let's move to
Okay.
just go through. If some of the students in the class, just one, two questions we'll try to do.
All right. If some of the students in the class are found to be using intoxicants, the teacher should inform police, inform the headmaster, advise them properly. Advise them properly.
Sure.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, let's see the answer. If some of the students, of course, you cannot inform, you cannot, they're not criminals. First, have you done the task as a teacher? No. You have to advise them properly. If not, then inform the headmaster. If not, then punish them. If not, then go to
Then
inform police.
the sorry, hospital. I'm saying.
Okay, next one. The mental,
The
okay,
men-
read.
the mental development of the child most closely parallels an increase in his ability to get along with others, his ability to profit from experience, his stock of knowledge, his ability to memorize. The mental development of a child is parallel is most closely parallels
Parallels, an
and
increase in.
increase. Hmm. Par-
What does this mean?
Ma'am,
Mental
option number
development
B.
of the child most closely parallels
Hmm.
an increase in what? What will happen if the mental development of the child will grow more and more?
Ma'am, that means the child explores more of the things. He gains more knowledge. He gets more experience.
Exactly. So, what will be the option?
The option number B, I'm saying.
Correct. His ability to profit from experience. Correct. Okay. Next one.
Okay.
Which of the following is not a valuable feedback for a teacher? Easy one.
Okay. Which one of the following is not a valuable feedback for a teacher?
Hmm.
Uh, a student.
Students' feedback is not valuable. No.
Of course, it is.
Hmm.
Colleague का भी important है, parents का भी, librarian then.
Librarian. Yes, correct. Okay.
नहीं, I didn't understand that question. That's why I was thinking कि first three जो options
What
हैं
is there in
those
the
are similar.
question? Which of the following is not a valuable
And
feedback
हाँ,
for a teacher?
हम्म, हम्म,
Try to understand the question only. If you
हम्म,
understand the question properly, just
First,
like the
हाँ
previous
हाँ,
one, you did correct. Okay.
हम्म.
Okay.
Okay.
Which of the following is
Which of the
true?
following
Yeah, read.
about modern eval about
Modern
modern
evaluation
evaluation
system
system
hmm, in
in
secondary school.
secondary school?
Yep.
Evalu हाँ. Encourage the rote learning, continuous evaluation system, product oriented evaluation, summative evaluation system. Okay, so modern evaluation system in secondary school.
Hmm.
Uh, rote learning the first continuous.
Rote learning
Ma'am,
happens in
option number
primary.
D.
Now, option number D, you are saying.
हाँ, primary.
Rote learning happens in
Option
primary.
number D. D.
No, that is wrong.
हाँ.
The answer is
Okay.
wrong.
Okay. So then option number C.
No.
अरे अरे.
This one is correct.
Okay.
See, secondary school means reflective, RLT.
Mm,
Okay. Now, RLT will
Okay.
be only coming here, continuous evaluation system. The modern evaluation system, when you join any college or university to teach the students as per NEP, National Education Policy,
Mm-hmm.
the students are continuously
Mm-hmm.
evaluated. Okay. quizzes, assignments, presentations,
Hmm.
role plays, case studies, apart from midterm and intern. So this is what has happened
Okay, so we have to evaluate them continuously.
continuously.
Huh.
Yeah. Many people follow 30
Okay.
70 or 50 50. 50 50.
Ma'am, what is this?
I'm saying, as per NEP, new policy, this is your MT midterm
Hmm.
plus intern.
Hmm.
And this
Hmm.
70 or 50, whatever they are following, it's nothing but quiz,
Hmm.
test out of three, assignments,
Hmm.
okay, then case studies,
Hmm.
presentations, role play, no matter how much is the student's strength. You have to do everything, 10 to each, or depending upon 70, 14 to each. And you have to judge them,
Wow.
evaluate them. So in a total, all round the year, they are only giving exams or projects.
Hmm.
There are many criterias. Okay.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
yes,
Hmm.
evaluation system is now followed.
Okay. Modern evaluation system.
Yeah. Last question. The majority of the teachers in your school want you to be the staff secretary. You're not very confident. How will you react to the proposal?
The majority of the teacher of want to be a staff secretary. You are not confident, okay? How will you react to the proposal? Tell them cruelty that you wouldn't take it up, okay? Tell them that you are not that person. Accept the challenge, the compassion. C, option number C.
Correct. Only option that is there is this, because you cannot say that I am not responsible. I cannot take this. No. You cannot say I'm
Hmm.
a perfect person. You cannot suggest anyone's name. So accept the challenge
Hmm.
and request for the cooperation in all matters.
Hmm.
That is the best
Hmm.
way which we can go ahead. Okay, next question we will be learning next in the next class. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.